How do I thicken runny cream cheese frosting?
Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a common kitchen dilemma: how to thicken runny cream cheese frosting. If you've ever found yourself with a frosting that's too loose or liquidy, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share some helpful tips and tricks to help you achieve that perfect, thick consistency for your cream cheese frosting. So let's get started.
Why is my cream cheese frosting runny?
Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly understand why your cream cheese frosting might be runny in the first place. Cream cheese frosting typically consists of cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and flavorings. Here are a few reasons why it might turn out runny. 1. Temperature. If your cream cheese or butter is too soft or melted, it can cause the frosting to be runny. Temperature plays a crucial role in achieving the right consistency. 2. Proportions. If you've added too much liquid, such as milk or flavor extracts, it can thin out the frosting. It's important to maintain the right balance of ingredients. 3. Mixing. Overmixing the frosting can introduce too much air, leading to a lighter and runnier texture. Proper mixing techniques are essential. Now that we know some of the reasons behind runny cream cheese frosting, let's move on to the solutions.
Tips to thicken runny cream cheese frosting.
Here are some effective tips and techniques to help you thicken your runny cream cheese frosting. 2.1. Refrigerate the frosting. If your frosting is too soft or runny, a simple solution is to refrigerate it for a while. Place the bowl of frosting in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes, allowing it to firm up. This will help the butter and cream cheese solidify, resulting in a thicker consistency. 2.2. Add more powdered sugar. Another way to thicken your frosting is by gradually adding more powdered sugar. Start by adding a small amount at a time, then mix well until incorporated. Keep adding powdered sugar until you reach the desired thickness. However, be cautious not to add too much, as it can make the frosting overly sweet. 2.3. Use cornstarch or flour. Cornstarch or flour can act as thickeners in cream cheese frosting. To use this method, mix a small amount of cornstarch or flour with water to create a slurry. Then, heat the slurry in a saucepan until it thickens into a paste-like consistency. Allow the paste to cool completely before gradually adding it to your frosting while mixing. 2.4. Chill the frosting between layers. If you're using the frosting to layer a cake, you can thicken it by chilling it between layers. After frosting one layer, place the cake in the refrigerator for a short period to allow the frosting to firm up. Repeat this process for each layer, and you'll achieve a thicker overall consistency. 2.5. Adjust the temperature and mixing. Sometimes, the temperature and mixing techniques can greatly affect the thickness of cream cheese frosting. If your frosting is runny, try chilling the ingredients beforehand to ensure they're at the proper temperature. Additionally, avoid overmixing the frosting, as it can introduce excess air and make it runnier. And there you have it. By following these simple tips, you can easily thicken runny cream cheese frosting. Whether it's